Hi guys, it's San again. I'm so happy to have you back. Today we're doing a little Shopee haul. I even got a few things I actually needed. Some I bought just because they look so cute. And honestly, the one item I am a tiny piece embarrassed to show you guys. Let's get started. Package number 1. Here's the first package. I love that. They wrapped it in paper instead of plastic. Let's open it up. Okay, wait. Never mind. There's still a plastic sleeve inside to protect everything. Can you guess what this is? The packaging is simple, but it looks really neat. It is flashcard. I went for the grid version because I am totally obsessed with grid paper. Everything just looks so much more organized when I write on it. The paper actually feels really thick too. I will test it out later to see if the ink bled too. This box has 90 cards and there were 3 versions: plain, light, and grid. Of course, I picked grid. Next up, package number 2. Replacement earpods for my headphones. They are so soft. I've been using these headphones for almost 2 years now, and since I wear them basically every single day. The old parts were completely falling apart. It was definitely time for an upgrade. Alright, next, package number 3. This one has 3 items. First, a little utility knife. I bought this just for filming and boxing. Wait, it doesn't lock. It slides back in as soon as I let it go. I guess that's a safety feature. Pew pew. Next, I don't even know what to call this. This is not really a notebook because it doesn't have a cover. But it is not just loose paper either. It is basically a stack of memo paper glued at the top so you can tear off its sheets really easily. It is not as thick as the flashcard, but it is super cute. I got 3 different colors. The brown one has grid paper and the blue one is light. I've seen these over TikTok lately, so I had to try them out. We will test the paper later and see how it performs. Also, the sticky notes. I picked the blue and brown tones because they give some cozy autumn vibes. And look, the little ruler is actually flexible. You can blend it. Okay, package number 4. I am a little embarrassed about this one. This is a wing. It even comes with bands. Lately, I've been watching a lot of study vlogs, and all the girls with long straight hair look so pretty on camera. Meanwhile, I got a perm 2 months ago, and now my hair is just a fluffy mess. I didn't want to pay to get it straightened again, so I bought a wig. Problem so it's worth only 100,000 Vietnam dong. Maybe I will wear it in a study with me video someday. Wait, this wig is actually smoother than my real hair. If you are handy with hair, you could probably trim it to frame your face even better. Finally, the last package, the item I've been looking forward to the most. The biggest package, a book stand. The packaging looked a bit beat up, but thankfully everything inside is safe. I went with the pastel blue, my favorite color. Wow, it is actually feel heavy and solid, which is a good sign. Alright, like every girl ever, I'm going to try to put it together before checking the instruction. It is plastic, but it feels super sturdy. Adjustment mechanism is on the back. You can change both the height and the angle. Let's test with Sapien. This thing is a thick book. Oh, it's not bad at all. Now let's try this vocabulary book. It is even heavier, and it is holding up perfect. Ten out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Wait, it is rotate too. I wasn't expecting that. At this angle, this almost looks like a tiny desk. That's actually really cool. Headphone check and paper test. Now let it show the ear parts. That's quite super easy. By the way, I highly recommend the headphones for noise cancellation. The first time I wore them at work, I couldn't hear a thing around me. This is amazing for focus. Sometimes I don't even play music. I just wear them because I want the quiet. CBL is classic for the reason. Okay, a flashcard test. Work of the day. I love how this writes. The ink doesn't splatter through at all. The paper is definitely thicker than the standard copy paper you find at the print shop, probably over 80 GSM. Now for this thin memo paper, I was a little worried at first. This is a brush pen and there are barely any breakthrough. Let's try a marker too. Still nothing. I am honestly impressed. I think this will be perfect for a scratch note. The results were better than I expected. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoy hanging out with me today, don't forget to like and subscribe. Time to clean up this mess.